When I came home after drink, my wife asked me what I ate for dinner. I couldn't say anything, like an elementary school boy who was scolded by his mom. After a stressful day at work, I needed a beer with my friends. We ordered beer, fried chicken, and pizza. It was yummy. I could release my stress. Cold beer, fried chicken, yummy pizza, fun conversation with my friends. What else do I need to release my stress? When I come home early after work, my wife always makes salad for my health. But sometimes I need a break away from too healthy foods. I don't think I'm the only husband who's pursuing a breakaway.